Imagine improving your life by just 1% every day. Not a huge change, not something difficult, just a tiny improvement. Now imagine what happens after 1 year. That small 1% improvement doesn't stay small. It grows, it compounds, and slowly it changes everything. This is the core idea behind the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is not about overnight success. It is not about motivation or willpower. It is about small habits that quietly shape your future. Why most people fail. Most people set goals, lose weight, get rich, become successful, be disciplined, read more books. But after some time, they quit. Why? Because they focus on goals, not on systems. James Clear says, "You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems." Goals tell you where you want to go, but systems decide whether you actually get there or not. What are atomic habits? The word atomic means something very small. Habits are behaviors you repeat every day. So atomic habits are small habits that lead to remarkable results over time. Big success does not come from big actions. It comes from small actions repeated consistently. Your daily habits decide who you become, how successful you are, how healthy you are, how confident you feel. The power of compounding. James Clear explains habits using the idea of compound interest. If you improve 1% every day, you don't just get 365% better in a year, you become 37 times better. But if you get 1% worse every day, your life slowly declines. Small habits don't seem powerful in the beginning, but over time, they create massive results. Identity is the key. One of the most powerful ideas in Atomic Habits is identity-based habits. Most people say, "I want to lose weight. I want to be successful. I want to read more." This is result-based thinking. James Clear says, the most effective way to change your habits is to focus on who you wish to become. Instead of saying, "I want to read books," say, "I am a reader." Instead of, "I want to be healthy," say, "I am a healthy person." Your habits are a reflection of your identity. When you change how you see yourself, habits follow naturally. How habits work. The habit loop. Every habit follows a 4-step loop. 1. Cue, a trigger. 2. Craving, the desire. 3. Response, the action. 4. Reward, the benefit. Example, phone notification. Cue, curiosity, craving. Checking the phone, response, satisfaction, reward. To change habits, you must understand this loop. How to build good habits. James Clear gives 4 laws to build good habits. 1. Make it obvious. If you want to build a habit, make it visible. Examples, want to read? Keep a book on your bed. Want to drink water? Keep a bottle on your desk. Want to exercise? Keep your shoes in front of you. What you see regularly, you remember easily. 2. Make it attractive. We repeat habits that feel good. Pair a good habit with something you enjoy. Work out with your favorite music, study with a nice cup of tea, read in a comfortable place. James Clear calls this temptation bundling. 3. Make it easy. Most people fail because they make habits too hard. The rule is, start with just 2 minutes. Read 1 page, write 1 sentence, do 1 push-up. Once you start, continuing becomes easy.
Make it satisfying. The brain loves rewards. Track your progress. Tick a checklist. Mark a calendar. Use a habit tracker. Seeing progress makes habits stick. How to break bad habits. Bad habits follow the same rules, just in reverse. 1. Make it invisible. Remove bad habits from your sight. Keep your phone away. Remove junk food from home. Turn off notifications. 2. Make it unattractive. Remind yourself of the negative effects: wasted time, poor health, regret. 3. Make it difficult. Add barriers. Log out of apps. Delete tempting apps. Add extra steps. 4. Make it unsatisfying. Create consequences. Accountability partner. Small penalties. Public commitment. The plateau of latent potential. Many people quit because they don't see results quickly. James Clear explains this with a powerful idea. Progress is often invisible at first, like ice warming from -10 to 0. Nothing seems to happen until it suddenly melts. Consistency always wins. Motivation versus environment. Motivation is temporary. Environment is permanent. If your environment supports good habits, you don't need strong willpower. Change your environment. Clean workspace, organized phone, supportive people. Environment shapes behavior. Every habit is a vote. Every habit you perform is a vote for the person you want to become. Reading is a vote for being intelligent. Exercise is a vote for being healthy. Discipline is a vote for success. No single habit defines you, but repeated habits shape your identity. Final message. Atomic Habits teaches us one simple truth. You don't need to change everything at once. You just need to start small. Perfection is not required. Consistency is. Small habits, daily actions, big results.